In this lesson, we will go through several examples using the bridge tool. First, let me briefly explain what bridge does. First, I will create two cubes and combine them into a single object. I will also delete the construction history. Next, I will switch to face mode and delete one face. Then I will switch to edge mode and select two edges that face each other. If they are not facing each other, bridge will not work properly. Go to Edit Mesh Bridge. When bridge is applied, a surface is created between the selected components. Bridge can be applied between edges or between faces. Now I will switch to face mode and select these faces. Let's change the bridge curve type to blend. Next, I will increase the divisions value. As you can see, the connection now forms a curved shape. I will press Ctrl Z to return to the previous state. Now let's talk about the curve type option. Linear and blend can be adjusted after the bridge has been applied. However, curve type must be enabled before applying the bridge command. I will change the curve type to curve and apply bridge again. As you can see, a curve has been created. If you expand the object in the outliner, you will see a curve node underneath. Select the curve and switch to CV mode. Now you can directly edit the shape of the curve. This allows you to create more customized bridge connections. At the moment, the curve has very few CVs. Let's increase the number of CVs. Curves are part of the NURBS system, and curve editing tools are located in the Curves menu. Open the Options window for Curves, Rebuild. Here you will find the number of spans option. In NURBS, a span is the section between one EP point and the next. EP points are displayed as X-shaped markers. The current curve appears simple because it has very few spans. Increasing the number of spans value adds more EP points and CVs. As a result, you gain much finer control over the curve. Now let's open a new scene and create a mug handle using the bridge tool. Let's create a cylinder. Set the values as shown. Select the top face and delete it. Double-click an edge to select the edge loop. Then extrude it. Increase the division value so the shape does not become overly soft. Next, extrude the bottom section. Then use Merge to center to close it into a single vertex. In object mode, we now have a basic cup shape. Add supporting edges to areas such as the rim and bottom where the shape appears too soft. Rotate the model and continue refining the shape by adding edges where needed. Now switch to face mode. Select two faces as shown. In the bridge options, make sure the curve type is set to curve. Next, select the curve in the outliner. Open the options for curves, rebuild. Enter values that work well for your model. Also adjust the division's value as needed. Press the spacebar and work from the side view. Press 4 to switch to wireframe mode. Select the curve, then edit its CVs to create the desired handle shape. Next, let's look at the taper option. Adjusting the taper value changes the width of the connected sections. Once you are satisfied with the shape, press 3 to preview the smooth result. You can continue editing the curve even while viewing the smooth result. When you are finished, you can delete the curve. However, there is one important thing to remember. If you delete the curve without deleting history first, your work may be lost. Always run delete history before deleting the curve. This ensures your work is preserved safely. Finally, add a few supporting edges around the handle to refine the shape. In this lesson, we created a simple mug using the bridge tool. Thank you for watching. If you found this helpful, please subscribe and hit the bell for more Maya tutorials. Thanks.